There's only one quadrant left. Are we gonna make it?
Oh, the hobbits have come to Hobbiton!
Kiwi King!
You guys are not taking this seriously. I half expected to hear the light come down. Stop breaking the lights, Diana.
I'm so glad I'm fighting you and not Hydra.
I would really love to fight Hydra too, but I'm really glad I'm fighting you.
Well, Jake was also 1 and 2, so
Had to be Jake.
they
Yeah.
had to give him a chance to get in.
Yeah, I don't understand the play-in fights either.
No.
But I had when at Battlebots, I had a list of everyone that had, gotten fights, and I was like, oh, well, we're not getting in because, like, you guys were ranked ahead of us, so I knew you guys were going to get in over us, so I had no idea that we were going to fight. Like,
Surprise.
I definitely...
So, David, congratulations. You're officially a driver in the top 34.
Yay!
What did you think about our matchup?
Oh.
It's gonna suck.
So Diana and I had so much fun with this question, we couldn't agree on one person to win the poker chips. I'll beat you. So, to Jonathan Gears, I chose you for denouncing Sawblaze and all love of Skorpios. And Diana, who did you pick for the poker chips?
I picked Steve WB because you said you'd take it to Disney World and take a photo of it by Cinderella's castle.
So you each played to one of the members. You guys won the poker chips, and we are handing out Malice chips this time. So our big question to win a Skorpios Malice chip. Are you ready, Diana?
I don't know.
What would you do if you had the Malice paddle?
Uh-oh.
Leave your comments below.
Yay!
We did it. We're in the 34. Okay, I guess we technically need to win one more match, and then we'll have 2 wins like all the other robots in the 32. But the selection committee has given us one more chance to try to get that second win so we can claim the number 32 spot. And then all I have to do is beat in-game. And then I'm officially like in the number 1 seat spot and have a really good chance of getting the nut. Assuming I could get past Minotaur or Bloodsport after in-game. This is kind of a horrible spot to be. But we are up for the challenge. We did prepare a whole bunch of different fork setups for in-game, so I'm actually pretty excited about this. But something a lot of people are talking about, how some robots only had 2 matches, and like the 4 of us in these play-in games are getting our 4th match. And I wanted to spend some time trying to figure out why that is and what happened.
So why do you think that Shatter only got 2 fights and now they're in the tournament?
And Hypershock and
Jackpot.
Whiplash.
And Whiplash.
Jackpot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
You
and
just said
all
that.
of them
I just ran out of time. That's all it is.
for the secret thing.
For the secret thing that was eluded in one of their posts. There's something shiny. Because it's shiny. That's the only word I know how to say.
Shiny!
Shiny!
You're welcome.
So, I have my own theory of why they cut so many robots down to just 2 fights.
Tell us, Captain Zach.
I blame everything on Bloodsport.
Oh!
This is all Bloodsport's fault. Wait.
Skorpios versus Bloodsport. First fight next year.
Not again!
Not again!
So, hear me out.
No.
So, in Season 5, Bloodsport had 2 really epic wins right out of the gate.
Mm-hmm.
They cut us in half, so congratulations to them on that. And they were the only robot to beat in-game that year. And so they were already sitting at a point where they were guaranteed to be in the 32 with 2 big matches won. And then they put them in a 3rd match against Kronos. And what does Bloodsport do?
Die.
Wins.
Well, he used his weapon just enough to break the other robot's weapon, and then he turned it off.
It seems like you were turning that weapon on and off. Why were you doing that?
So we have suspicions that maybe the weapon was overheating, or there might be some. We're not totally sure yet. We'll find out when we go into the bot. But yeah, we're just hoping if it's overheating, we'll let it cool down and get it back up to speed when it's cool again.
Well, it's not against the rules.
Well, yeah, I mean,
It's
no,
not against the rules,
no.
but it made a kind of boring match.
Well,
And
yeah.
honestly, it was a smart thing tactically.
Well, poor Chronos,
because-
though. Like, that's kind of mean for Chronos.
What happened to Bloodsport later on from overuse of the weapon?
Oh, it broke.
Did it
It
break?
literally
Yeah.
snaps in half, so that was really good. They were trying to
Very
save
smart,
it.
Yeah.
And it is a good strategy, and a lot of other robots have done it. It's just Bloodsport shows the full spectrum of like what they were trying to avoid, what they did. They even explained it in their after interview that their weapon didn't break, they just wanted to save it. And other teams did similar maneuvers. It's a common tactic. If you think your weapon's about to break, turn it off, and then just spin it at the end to show
that
it
it's
still works.
working.
Now, a team that is 1-1 or 0-2 would be more likely not to turn their weapon off or to try to save themselves for the 32. And they would be more desperate to push the robot harder and probably do more damage, possibly even catch fire, which would be more entertaining, but a really poor choice tactically if you already had 2 wins. So I think due to this fact, robots that already performed well enough to get into the top 32, they just went ahead and placed them in. And they focused more on fights of robots who needed the win.
So I did call the vice president of Battlebots to find out why the selection was so much different this year. And his answer did surprise me. With the number of episodes Discovery Channel ordered, the amount of time they had, it turns out they invited too many robots. And so they did not have enough time to give everyone 3 matches. Now, part of that does come back to the fact there's a big surprise that has to do with that big golden bolt thing they put in one of their posts that has not yet been revealed. But I hope this answered everybody's questions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I use Blue Eyes White Dragon
Twist it to the side.
Oh wait, we're
in
doing.
attack mode.
Yeah. From Yu-Gi-Oh. Yu-Gi-Oh.
She gets it.
I never,
Heart of the cards, Diana. Heart of the cards.
I never played that.
It was a TV show. Play Charizard. Oh, it is a Charizard.
Play Charizard. Use
In
Tail
attack
Whip.
mode.
All right, we get